Welcome to Best Car Fixes Mini Cooper. That's a nice one. Yes. What we have here is no power windows, no door locks. The body control module is here. Be sure that there is no water inside. Okay, you take it out. This is a footwell module, which you consider like a body control module. You have one connector here and one connector there. Just be sure that there is no water that can go inside and damage something, especially this area. You know, when you wash the car, also be careful. No water, okay? So we're good here. I'm gonna try to unlock it or reset it. So I'm gonna leave this one closed. Nice car. For now here, as you see, I read, it's the same thing like BMW footwell modules, they're all the same. As you notice here, he say FRM module data has been repaired. When you say okay, you're gonna see the VIN number there already. So you're just gonna close this. You can go out of the system again. Okay, close this one and come to auto hex or hexaproc. Okay. Now, cancel hexaproc is, I don't need hexaproc, I need auto hex. No, hexaproc, auto hex, this one, hexaproc, not tuning. As usual, I'm using hexaproc. I'm gonna go to bench, then BMW, then on bench, BMW, FRM, FRM3. Now I'm gonna read it from 1. You see now I read it perfectly. So everything is good now. So I'm gonna save it, take this one out, disconnect it, and it will work. But I'm gonna save this EEPROM now. Maybe I'm gonna write it into another car, but I'm gonna save this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Okay, so now here I'm reading the FRM flash. After I fix it, I'm gonna read this one. I'm gonna read the flash, and I will take the part number, keep it together, and I will make a file for it. In case I need it, I will use this one to to fix some of the FRM that they are not good. Stay with us. %. Okay, here also I'm gonna save it. So it's 3. So they are in the same. I'm gonna save it, and then I will keep it for others. Now I'm gonna desolder it, and everything will be okay. Thank you for watching.